Con Jam to go. Same action-packed gameplay, brand new design that stores flat to take and play anywhere. How to play. Take turns throwing and deflecting the flying disc across the yard, beach, or park at the goal. 21 points wins, or go pro and slot the flying disc for an instant win. Ultimate team game. It takes two to make a great Con Jam team. A great deflection is just as important as a great throw. Easy setup. Play anywhere. Con Jam is perfect for the backyard, the beach, the park, or tailgate. So lightweight and easy to assemble, you can bring it anywhere, set up and play within seconds. Set includes Con Jam 2-piece to-go goals, 1 original Con Jam disc, and 1 to-go carry bag. Top reviews from the United States. First off, I love Con Jam. It has become our go-to game for tailgating and yard games. I thought it was perfect that they made a nighttime version since we often go quite late with our games, especially when camping. I was hesitant to buy it for the retail price of $60, especially since I already had a set. Amazon finally had it on sale for $30 and I pulled the trigger, and I am glad I did. The cans are made of the same material, but it comes with a light pod about the same circumference as a coaster and about an inch deep. It comes with Velcro on it so you can attach it to the side of the can. It gives off a lot of light which you can change the colors on using the remote. The box only came with one remote, but it works for both lights as long as you aim it directly at the one you want to change. The frisbee that comes with is glow in the dark but also has a little light velcroed to the bottom. So far I have only used it a few times, but I am happy with everything. I feel like over time the light on the frisbee will come off or get broken. It is Con Jam after all. I am debating about rigging up some kind of protective barrier around the light and just setting it on the ground so that will last longer too. I have no issues, but I could see how after repeated hits to it, like others said, it may burn out or get smashed. But so far I think it is perfect for nighttime play.